Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see a wonderful opportunity to the PhD aspirants who are looking for the PhD admission in one of the government university or the government college. So here the PhD entrance test is going to happen in that government college, guys. And the wonderful or the good news is that with only post graduation, you can get the financial support, and the additional financial support is also there. So up to 35,000 rupees per month, you can get the fellowship, and along with that one, you will get the 50,000 rupees for purchasing the laptops or the desktops, and the contingency grant of 10,000 rupees per annum you will get. Okay, so after watching this video, please share this one to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And whatever the job notifications you are looking for, in the description box of this video I kept one Google form, so fill up that form. And to get my next video which is matching up with your profile, so you have to subscribe this channel and then tap the bell icon. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this PhD admission notification from the government college. Before going into the main content of this video, it is a very big announcement and the good news to the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the examination, which is going to be start from this, in this month, October 17th onwards. So here I'm conducting the free online live classes, guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper one, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English. Okay, daily evening 5:30, and while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video, that is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link, then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UGC NET online live classes from the Unacademy side. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is IIED, guys, that is Indraprastha Institute of Information Technology from Delhi. So it is one of the central government institute, guys, and it will be the wonderful opportunity if you got the PhD admission in this college. And first we will see what are the different departments are there and what are the eligibility criteria for those departments. Okay, so these are the disciplines, guys, and you may check down. So first one is the computation biology. So for this one, a valid GATE score or a GPAT or national fellowship is required, and BTech or BE or M.Pharm or M.Tech, or else MC or MSc, or else MSc in any other disciplines with these requirements, or the MBBS with at least 60% in the qualifying degree with these requirements. Okay, and coming to the computer science and engineering, so graduation or the post graduation is required with 70%, or else the MC or MSc in CSC, IT, EC or electrical degree is considered equivalent to the BTech or the BE degree. Such students are eligible to apply with the condition that they have the BS in the computer science, or else BS in any other subject with mathematics as one of the course, or else MSc in mathematics with at least 70%. And coming to the electronics and communication engineering, so BTech or BE or graduation or else the post graduation in these departments with 70%, or else the MCA or MSc degree is considered as equivalent to the BTech or BE, and BS in computer science is required, or else the MSc in mathematics with at least 60% of marks in both BSc and MSc, or 7.5 CGPA and strong inclination towards the CSC or the ECE. Coming to the mathematics, so JRF from either UGC or CSIR or NBHM or DST or GATE score at least 400, and MSc mathematics or MSc in physics statistics or MPhil in maths, BTech or MTech or BE or M in computer science, or also electronics and communication, or also maths or computer science, and similar interdisciplinary programs with 70%. And coming to the social science and humanities, MA or MPhil degree in any social sciences or humanities, liberal arts, media and communication or similar areas with 55%, MSc in economics, statistics, mathematics, cognitive science, or else psychology or any basic sciences with 55% of marks. So BTech or MTech or equivalent in any discipline with at least 70% of marks, and MSW or MCOM with minimum score of the 55% of marks, or else a 2-year a full-time postgraduate diploma in journalism, digital humanities, mass communication, etc. with minimum of the 55%. And coming to the human-centered design, so UG or PG engineering degrees in CSE, EC, design or architecture or social sciences or other related disciplines with 4-year duration course, or BDS or MDS, or else MBBS or MD or MPhil or MCA or MSc or MA degree in design or computing related disciplines, and the CGPA is also given here. Fine. So most of the different disciplines are covered here, so please carefully check down, guys. Okay, only very few departments they are asking for the JRF or else the GATE score, guys. Okay, so these are the different departments and their qualifications. Okay, and coming to the admission criteria, so the two admission criteria are there. One is a regular PhD and second one is a sponsored PhD. So the regular PhD means the students who are not holding the regular work or else employment. That means you have to full-time work in the college itself. And coming to the financial support, you may check down here. Students joining the PhD program as a regular student will be considered as an institute fellowship. So presently, institute is offering the fellowship of 31,000 rupees per month in the first and second year, and 35,000 rupees per month in the third and fourth year. And in the fifth year, they are providing the little bit less, that is a 30,000 rupees per month. Fine. And the additional financial support is also provided to you, that is a 50,000 rupees for purchasing the laptops, and contingency is 10,000 rupees per annum you will get. Including that one, the institute travel grant is also provided for the full-time PhD candidate. So encouraged to do the research, to present the research work in the international conferences, and the financial support of up to 2 lakhs for the entire duration of the PhD program also available. And coming to the admission procedure, so as I told that the rolling admissions and the regular admissions will be there. So rolling advertisement means you can apply throughout the year, guys. And the regular admissions generally happens in the 2 cycles, so February to April every year, and during September to November in the winter seasons. Fine. And application procedure here. So you have to apply online, guys, and the application fee is also given here, 150 rupees for SC, ST and PD, 300 rupees for the other candidates. And while coming to the important dates that you may check down here. So starting date of online application is the 4th October, that is just yesterday itself it started. And the closing date of application is 31st October, and the announcement of shortlisted candidates 12th November. So conducting of the interview as per the subject wise given here, so you may check down, guys. So and the research areas is also provided here. Fine. So in computation biology, what are the different research areas? Computer science, what are the different research areas? And in the electronics communication, what are the different research areas? And similarly in the mathematics and social sciences and humanities. Okay, so coming to the economics and coming to the human-centered design. Fine. So if you want to apply, you may just click on this apply now, guys, and then you will be directed to the online application form. So please utilize this wonderful opportunity. It will be very much helpful to you. So with only post graduation also, if you once selected for the full-time research work, then you will get the wonderful fellowship, guys, and it is also a very good institute. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues, and if your requirement or not meet here, then please mention your requirement in the comment section. If I got that recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get my next video as an immediate notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And from Unacademy side here, the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination, here one advertisement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profiling. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay,